Hello everyone. In this video, I will get you started on lab number 1. First, read chapter 1 of the textbook. To get started with this first assignment, go to Desire to Learn and click on View Lab Assignment number 1. Read the directions, and you'll notice that it says to open a new Word document. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to click on New, create a new document. It says type in lab assignment number 1 for CST 120 and then type your name in as well. Let's go back to that first line, the title, and center it, and let's change the font to something a lot larger. For number 1, first do some research and then, in your own words, type a paragraph to explain what an operating system is, why it's important, and what tasks it performs. For number 2, I'm looking for a history of DOS. And number 3, I'm looking for the importance of DOS today. When you get to number 4, click on Start. And there's more than one way of getting into DOS, but if you type Command Prompt and then click on Command Prompt, there we go, we're in. The directions for this one say type title followed by your name. Notice that your name now is on the application window. The next thing you need to do is press the print screen key. It's on the keyboard in the upper right hand corner. If you have a laptop, you might need to press the function and print screen key at the same time. That loads the image of the desktop into memory, and then if we click Start and type Paint, press Enter. Paint is a very useful program, especially for online classes. I'm using Windows 7, and it has the Paint program with the ribbon up on top. I like it, but Windows Vista's version of Paint was good, and whatever Paint program you have will work as well. In some cases, you might have to choose Edit and then Paste. In this case, we can just click on the Paste command, and when we click on Paste, there is the image that we captured when we hit print screen. Next, I'm going to click the Select box, and again, your version of Paint might be a little bit different, and I am going to draw a box around my DOS prompt window, and then I'm going to choose Crop, because this is the area that I want to be working with. Next, I'm asking you to type the word application and draw an arrow pointing to your name. So I'm going to click on the icon for text, that's the capital A. Then I'm going to draw a box big enough to type the word application. Make sure the text size is appropriate, large enough that we can see it. And I chose to put color number 1 be black for application, and then the background color white. If you choose transparent, you might not be able to see it very well, so I chose opaque. Then I'm adjusting the size of the box. I can move the box anywhere where I'd like to place it. I think I'll put it right here. And then I click away from the box, and it's in place. If I don't like how it turned out, I can click Undo, and it's gone. Or if I want it back, Redo. The next thing I'd like you to do is draw an arrow from the application to your name. A couple of ways of doing it. You can click on the line icon and draw a line. click on it again and put your arrowhead in place. Or another choice, I think I'll undo that, is to click on one of the arrows, like say this one, and we can draw the arrow this way. When you've completed this part of the lab, choose Select and select the entire graphic. Then choose Copy, and that places it into memory. Return to your Lab 1 assignment, and right next to 4, we're going to insert our graphic. So go up and choose Paste, and there it is. Now I can't move this, so I'm going to right-click on the image and choose Text Wrapping Tight. Now I can move it anywhere I want. Can also resize it, make it larger or smaller. Boy, that was really important. One more time, I right-clicked on it and I chose Text Wrapping Tight. So now you should have enough information to complete lab assignment number 1. Follow the directions, and when you're all done, go to Desire to Learn and submit it as lab number 1. Good luck. Get your work in on time. Points are subtracted for late work.